إن الحمد لله نحمد تعالى ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا فمن يهد الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل الله فلا هادي له وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. My name is Ali Ahmed Girema, Binda local government, Katsina State, Northern Nigeria. I attended the West African Agricultural Company Union in Lagos State at Babatunde Pashula Conference Hall. All you are highly welcome. The West African Agricultural Farmers Nigerians Kaduna State branch. The West African Kolanut Farmers Union Ogun State. The West African Maize and Millet Kano State Office. The West African Agricultural Farmers Union, Niger State. The West African Irrigation Farmers Union, Lokoja, Kogi State, Nigeria. The West African Kolanut Farmers Union, Owerri, Imo State, Nigeria. The West African Maize and Millet Farmers Union, Kano State, Nigeria. The West African Rice Farmers Association, Bauchi State, Nigeria. The West African Poultry and Fisheries Farmers Association, Lagos State branch. The West African Snail and Toad Farmers Union, Enugu State branch. The West African Coconut Farmers Association, Ogun State. The West African Cattle and Dairy Production Union, Kaduna State branch. The West African Fruit Union, Kogi State branch. So all we are highly welcome. Special greeting for Mrs. Hajia Nafisa Abdullahi Shehu Daura, the owner company of Nafisa Abdullahi Fertilizer. Mr. Jibo Yusupo, the owner company of Kancharipo Mills, Maradi, Niger Republic, Nigeria. Mr. Alhaji Yahya Abdullahi, the owner company of Albarka Fertilizer, Kano State, Nigeria. Mrs. Jummai Abubakar, the owner company of T&T Tomato Paste. As Alhaji Dahiru Abdullahi, the owner company of Power Fertilizer, Kano State, and others whose present and absent, all we are highly welcome to Lagos State 2024 West African Agricultural Company Union in this year. I present the concept of maize planting in Nigeria. Maize is one of the most widely cultivated and consumed crop in Nigeria, and it's played a significant role in the country's agricultural and economy. Maize cultivation in Nigeria is primarily carried out in the southern and western region of the country, where the climate is more favorable for its growth. The process of maize planting in Nigeria typically begins with the preparation of the soil. Farmers clear the land of weed and debris, and then plow or till the soil to recreate the furrows for planting. Maize seeds are then sown of the furrows, usually about 2 to 5 centimeters deep, and covered with the soil. The seeds are spaced about 30 centimeters apart, and the rows of usually of 75 centimeters apart. After planting, maize crop require adequate moisture for germination and growth. However, excessive moisture can lead to fungal disease, so farmers strive to maintain a balance. One of the seeds that germinated, they require adequate sunlight. Maize is usually ready for harvesting about 3 to 4 months after planting. When the kernels are fully developed and the crop is hard, farmers typically harvest the crop by hand, also mechanical harvested, and also used in some cases. Maize cultivation in Nigeria faces several challenges, including the soil degradation, earthquake, irrigation system, and the pests and diseases. However, with proper farming techniques and technology, maize yield in the country have been steadily increasing, making it an important crop for both domestic consumption and export. Nigerian integrated aquaculture trial increasing health and wealth. A rice and catfish integrated aquaculture project in northern Nigeria has given local livelihood and food security boost, according to research from the University of Georgia and the University of Ibadan. Southern state of Ebonyi in Nigeria, whose previously grew rice as a monoculture or single crop system, for local consumption for the sale in regional market. These are areas. Diet is fairly limited in the terms of the diversity, so one for our concern, who has been the children and the lactating mothers don't get enough nutrition food. The nutritional deficiencies are obtained transferred from mothers to the babies. Said but adding that nutritional efficiency can inhibit growth and the normal development, both typically and cognitively in children. The goal is to provide opportunities for small-scale rural farmers to do better, and in combination provide a source of protein and a more balanced diet to communities in the area. The launch in September 2019, BAT and the other project leaders meet with the local farmers, community leaders, extension agent partners. The goal is to provide opportunities for small-scale rural farmers to do better, and in combination provide opportunity for small-scale rural farmers to do better, and in combination provide source of protein and a more balanced diet for communities in the area. Launched in September 2019, but other project leaders with the local farmers community, leaders, extension agent, and partner with the University of Ibadan and the Food Agriculture Organization of the United Nations helping Nigerian rice. So Nigerian rice farmers, the diversity for production in our agricultural system that integrated native catfish in rice fields. The project primarily objective are developing irrigated rice, fish production technology development practices among farmers and the stakeholders, and determine productivity, profitability margin, and the willingness for producers to adopt the new technology. The researchers are also measuring consumers' willingness to consume fish and rice produced from Nigeria integrated farming system. The Nigeria program is helping to diversity for the farming system that they have in place with the rural smallholder. Farmers have the opportunity to increase their productivity and diversity food that as a grow. The University of Ibadan and the University of Lagos, the team gathered data on the programming progress and provide additional training for producers and incorporating aquaculture into the rice fields. We meet with the farmers and talk with them about the benefit of an integrated system, such as this and addresses some of the technical and the logistical challenge the farmers are facing and maintaining in the system, but said. These fish are including tilapia fish, catfish, mudfish, snakefish, and lionfish, Homochromus loticus, and the Ostrongypilizili. All are the types of fisheries. A part of forestry, like Azadiricata indica, was making the Ephakia globosa and the Adansonia digitata. So all focus membranes and the other botanical name for forestry from the Department of Forestry in Nigeria. This is some summarizes about the benefit of commercial fish farming in Nigeria. The benefit of aquaculture, like integrated aquaculture, mollusks, apiculture, oceaniculture, floriculture, and the aquaculture. The fisheries department in Nigeria produce new fish tools for catching fish, like nets, hook and line, trawler, basket. The different styles of fish pond which can use in Nigeria, like fish pond, tank, fiberglass, earthen pond, concrete pond, and others. The different species that are alive in Nigeria, including like tilapia fish, catfish, moodfish, snakefish, and the lionfish. These are fish, there is no any poison for this fish like snakefish. I, Aliu Ahmed, from Katsina State, Binda local government, northern Nigeria. I'm attending the West African Agricultural Company Union in Lagos State 2024 program.